This 1930s gem is coming on the market after 43 years. It's a great property, centralized location, and can be a really good reno project or for someone to start their first home journey. Come on and check it out.
To fall in love is easy, but that really doesn't matter, baby. No, the challenge is to keep the love, make it last forever, maybe. Should have known right from the start. I'll keep chasing you until you melt my heart, 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 until you melt my heart. I like you like my favorite ice cream, favorite ice cream, favorite ice cream. Such a shame that you're playing just a game, playing just a game, playing just a game. I keep chasing you, chasing you. I keep chasing you, chasing you. I keep chasing you.
So here you have it. Great location, 3 bedrooms, separate kitchen, separate dining, double car garaging, plus potential to subdivide. So go do your diligence and give me a call to arrange your private viewing. My name is S. Jaitley from Property Brokers, Palm's fastest Indian.